When it comes to home security, the door is one of the most important features that protects your property and loved ones. Whether you are upgrading an old door or installing a new one, professional door installation in Bel Air can offer significant security advantages that enhance the safety of your home. While DIY installation may seem like a cost-effective solution, hiring a professional ensures that your door is properly installed with the best materials and techniques to provide maximum protection. In this article, we'll explore the key security benefits of professional door installation in Bel Air and why it's worth investing in expert services to keep your home safe. Enhanced durability and strength. One of the most significant security advantages of professionally installed doors is the enhanced durability and strength they provide. Professional installers use high-quality materials and ensure that the door is built to withstand various forms of intrusion. Whether it's a front door, back door, or patio door, a professionally installed door will typically be made of stronger, more secure materials, such as solid wood, fiberglass, or steel. These materials are designed to resist forced entry, and when installed correctly, they are much more durable than standard doors or poorly installed alternatives. A professional installation ensures that the door frame is also secure, which is just as important as the door itself. A weak or improperly installed frame can make it easier for intruders to break through, regardless of the door material. By hiring a professional, you ensure that both the door and the frame are solidly constructed, making it harder for anyone to force their way in. Proper lock and hardware installation. The effectiveness of a door in terms of security is only as good as the quality of its locks and hardware. Professional door installation services include installing high-quality, secure locks that are properly aligned and functioning. When installing locks, the installation team ensures that deadbolts, handle locks, and security mechanisms are correctly placed and aligned with the frame to prevent tampering. Additionally, professionals will install locking mechanisms that are harder to bypass or break into. For example, a high-quality deadbolt offers greater resistance to picking or bumping than a simple doorknob lock. Experts can also advise you on additional security features, such as smart locks, keypad entry, or reinforced strike plates, which further enhance the security of your home. Expert installation for optimal security. Even the best doors and locks are ineffective if they are not installed properly. Professional door installation in Bel Air ensures that the door fits perfectly in the frame and is correctly sealed. Gaps between the door and the frame can provide an easy point of entry for intruders, allowing them to bypass security measures such as locks or bolts. Professional installers make sure that the door is properly aligned, sealed, and secured, ensuring that there are no vulnerabilities in the door's construction. In addition to proper fitting, professional installers are trained to install doors with the latest security technologies and techniques. They are familiar with various door systems and can advise you on the best options for your specific security needs, whether you are looking for reinforced entry doors, energy-efficient models with advanced locking systems, or doors with built-in security features. Improved resistance to environmental threats. In Bel Air, where homes can be subject to a range of weather conditions, including high winds, rain, and even the occasional wildfires. Professionally installed doors offer enhanced protection against environmental threats. Many modern doors are designed to be more weather resistant, helping to protect your home from the elements as well as from break-ins. For example, a professional installer will ensure that your door has proper weather stripping, which not only helps with energy efficiency but also keeps water and debris out. Additionally, professionally installed doors made from materials like fiberglass or steel are more resistant to weather damage than traditional wood doors, which can warp, crack, or swell over time. This added layer of protection ensures that your door remains functional and secure in the long term. Increased home value and appeal. While the primary function of a door is to protect your home, a professionally installed door can also increase the overall value and curb appeal of your property. In a neighborhood like Bel Air, where homeowners invest in the aesthetics and functionality of their homes, a well-installed, attractive door can significantly enhance the look of your entryway. A door that is both stylish and secure adds to the home's overall appearance and can make a strong first impression on potential buyers if you decide to sell. Homes with high-quality, secure doors are often seen as more valuable and well-maintained, increasing the appeal of your property and giving you a competitive edge in the market. Peace of mind. The security of your home and family is priceless, and knowing that your door is professionally installed with the highest standards of quality and security offers peace of mind. Professional installation not only ensures that your door is secure but also provides ongoing support, such as warranty coverage and after-sales service. With professional installation, you can rest easy knowing that your home's entrance is protected by the latest security features and materials. Whether you're at home or away, you'll have confidence that your door is doing its job to keep intruders out and your family safe. Conclusion. Professional door installation in Bel Air offers several key security benefits that make it a smart investment for homeowners looking to enhance the safety and value of their property. From stronger, more durable doors to expertly installed locks and hardware, a professional installation provides optimal protection against forced entry, environmental threats, and wear and tear. By choosing a professional installer, you ensure that your door is properly aligned, sealed, and equipped with the latest security features, giving you peace of mind and improving the overall safety of your home. For homeowners in Bel Air, securing your home with a high-quality, professionally installed door is one of the best ways to protect your family and belongings. Investing in a secure, durable door today can offer long-term benefits, ensuring that your home remains safe, secure, and valuable for years to come.